In this section, I'm going to be showing you how to use duplicate checker for plagiarism in case the first method is quite stressful to you. So this is it. I'm going to copy this second page of my book. I'll copy and I'll come over to my browser. You can use your Chrome browser, Kiwi browser, Yandex browser, and I'm going to type duplichecker.com. Look at it on my search bar, duplichecker.com, and then I'm going to search. So this is how it looks like. Please ensure that your device is always on desktop site. If you remove it this way, this is how it's going to look like. So put it on desktop site. Now this is it. You look at this place, you're going to see please enter your text and press check plagiarism. So I'm going to paste it. I've pasted it right now, and then I'm going to scroll. You're going to see this. I'm not a robot, so you have to tick it. You have to tick this, and then you click on plagiarism, check plagiarism. There are a lot of adverts here, so you have to be careful not to click on it. So you can see that it is scanning. All right, so it is done scanning and we have a problem. Look at it. It has 5% plagiarism, 95% unique. Most times when you click on your work, it's going to show you 100% unique. Once it show you 100% unique, that means that work is perfect. There is no plagiarism. But now that it showed me 5% plagiarism and 95% unique, what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on make it unique. Click on make it unique. This is why I love to use duplicate checker, because it gets to show me the percentage of what is going on. So I'm going to click on make it unique, and now it's going to come here to paraphrase the work. So you will scroll down. There are a whole lot of adverts here, so you have to be careful. So you have to scroll to where you see your write-up. This is it here. And then you have to click on I am not a robot one more time. So you have to click on it. And then you click on rewrite article. Look at it here. Rewrite article. So I keep saying this, the fact that you paraphrased your work doesn't mean to not have plagiarism. That is why you have to be careful, because once your book have plagiarism, Amazon can easily block your book or even block your account. So now it has rewritten the words for us. So we are going to click on. So what I like to do is I'll first of all copy the work. Look at the copy icon here. I'll click on it. I've copied it. But then you now click on check plagiarism. So click on check plagiarism this time around. So I'm going to scroll till we see that usual robot stuff. Look at it here. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'll click on check plagiarism. So it's scanning. All right, so it is done searching for plagiarism, and you can see that zero plagiarism and 100% unique. But most times you might click on that rewrite article and it will show you another plagiarism. Maybe because the first one was 5%, it might reduce it to 1%. What do you need to do? You still need to click on rewrite article again. Now that it is 100% unique, I'm just going to copy my work. So I will scroll down. Look at the word here. You have to scroll down. This is it. So I'm just going to long press on it, select all. No, please. So let's take our time and do it. So I'm just going to click like this, scroll down. So I will copy and I'll come over to my notepad, and then I'll click on paste. I'll paste the work because I need to remove some write-up. Look at it here. All those write-ups that are copied. So I need to remove them. They are not part of my work. So I'm done. This is why I always use I always put it on my notepad so that I get to correct things. Look at now, my chapter 1 happened to come over to this place. So I need to correct it. So I'll just click here and then I'll bring it to the next page. Look at here, I have my words numbered, but then look at what I'm saying. So this is why you have to use your notepad so that you organize your work here. And then I'm done. So I'm just going to select all. I'll cut the work and then I'll come over to my doc, my Google Doc, my doc app, and then I'm going to paste it. There is a problem. I already saved. Okay, good. This pencil icon, and then I'm going to paste my work, and I'm done. So this is how you use duplicate checker to check your work, to check for plagiarism. I'm going to be showing you another method in the next video in case this method is stressful, or it's most times you might see that your it might take time to load up. But if you notice, how I used my phone is that I had to be copying it page by page so that it will not take time to be loading. When you make, if you, it's not you're not allowed to use more than, you're not allowed to paraphrase more than 1000 words. So when you put more than 1000 words, it gets to make your workload very slow. So I'm going to be showing you another method in case this method is stressful. My work is to make the work easier for you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.